I'm being chased by a seagull. Where? I see it. But I don't see it in the camera, but he was over there. Oh, there he's now, he's in the field area. Yeah, I hear him. He's just above the green field on the low down. He's going up. Circling. He's tree height, do you see him? There's one above him too. Quite big. There's the two of them together. The blue sky. There you are, look at that, the aerial's under. Aye, up in the mountain. Yeah, two of them. No, there's the other one above. Oh, there's three of them to go. Jack.
Yeah, I saw something up in that bike right there.
There's three of them. Yes. There's three of them now to go in the sky. See?
Them eagles coming across, look. There's a tractor coming this road,